Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best surgical sutures is probably one of the most critical tools in the medical field, used to close wounds and repair tissues. Choosing the right suture is essential for optimal healing and patient outcomes. In this video, we'll dive into the world of surgical sutures, exploring different types, materials, and their specific applications, helping you make informed decisions for your medical needs. Number 5. Medarchitect Suture Practice Kit, 30 pieces. This complete suture practice kit is designed for medical students. It includes all the essential tools and materials needed for effective suture training. You'll find everything you need to practice and perfect your suturing skills. The kit features an authentic human skin-like suture pad with 14 pre-cut wounds. These wounds, designed by doctors, simulate various lacerations and punctures. It's perfect for exam prep, demonstrations, and practicing before starting a new job. The 3-layer suture pad is made of high-quality silicone and reinforced with a protective mesh. This design enhances durability, preventing tearing during practice. The texture closely resembles real skin, providing a realistic training experience. Forget about the mess and smell of traditional materials. This suture pad is made of food-grade silicone, which is non-toxic and environmentally friendly. It's reusable, portable, and makes suture training more enjoyable. We are committed to providing high-quality products. If you're not satisfied with the kit, please contact us for a refund or replacement. We stand behind the quality of our suture practice kit. What we like. This kit provides everything you need to start practicing right away. It includes a realistic suture pad with pre-cut wounds, mimicking real-life scenarios. The pad is also designed to be durable and reusable. If you are a medical student or someone looking to hone your suturing skills, this comprehensive kit is a great choice. What people say. The sutures were exactly as described. The product arrived quickly and was exactly what I needed. Great product and great price. Number 4. Sutures Butterfly Bandaids, Laceration Closure Kit. This laceration closure kit is 8x stronger than traditional sutures. It protects the wound and keeps it securely closed, even during joint movement. This closure method is 3x faster than sutures. It saves you time and avoids potentially stressful and costly trips to the emergency room. No sewing is needed, making it easy and painless to use. It helps reduce secondary trauma and scarring, enhancing recovery and removal comfort. The closure strips can be tightened using 4 adjustable closures. This allows you to customize the tension across the wound for precise control. This small package includes all the essential tools for wound closure. It's a must-have for all first aid kits, providing convenient emergency protection. What we like. These closure strips offer a quick and painless alternative to stitches. They are designed to be stronger than traditional sutures, ensuring your wound stays securely closed. It is also very easy to use, and you can adjust the tension. If you're looking for a convenient and effective way to close minor wounds at home or on the go, this is a great option. What people say. The sutures were exactly what I needed. The product was as described. The product arrived on time. Number 3. MYHELP Emergency Wound Closure Strips, 4PK. These emergency wound closure strips from MYHELP can be a lifesaver. They securely hold the sides of a cut together, allowing it to heal properly or giving you time to reach medical care. It's best to be prepared for injuries. Keep these butterfly stitches bandages in your first aid kit, backpack, or car for emergency treatment. You never know when you might need them. Use MYHELP butterfly stitches to quickly and painlessly stop blood loss. They also prevent the laceration from widening during movement, which is crucial in various activities. Avoid the pain of surgical sutures with this wound closure kit. It offers hospital-grade effectiveness, whether you're far from medical care or enjoying outdoor sports. It is easy to use. MYHELP butterfly closure bandages are designed for ease of use, making them ideal for anyone. Just follow the instructions to apply the bandages in seconds. You'll get 2 types of butterfly strips in different sizes. This kit is an essential part of your safety, whether you're cooking or camping. They are suitable for humans and pets. Unlike traditional stitches, these use a non-invasive technique. This promotes smoother healing with minimal scarring. It keeps the skin intact. What we like. These butterfly bandages are designed for quick and easy application, making them ideal for various situations. The non-invasive technique promotes smoother healing with minimal scarring. If you need a simple and effective solution for closing cuts and reducing scarring, you should consider this. What people say. The sutures were exactly as described. The product arrived quickly and was exactly what I needed. Great product and great price. Number 2. Medarchitect Suture Skill Trainer Kit. This Medarchitect kit is the most complete for suture practice. It includes a DIY incision pad, a pre-cut wounds pad, and a full set of tools. This kit has everything needed to hone your suturing skills. The arch-shaped base is designed by medical professionals to mimic real-life wound conditions. This unique design provides the necessary tension for a more realistic suturing experience, unlike flat pads. It allows you to practice in a more true-to-life environment. The hook and loop design makes replacing the suture pad easy and cost-effective. You can freely create your own wounds without worry, as replacement pads are affordable. This patented design enhances the kit's usability and value. Both suture pads feature a protective mesh for enhanced durability and realistic practice. The DIY pad has 2 layers of mesh for superficial and deep suture training. This ensures the pad can withstand repeated use and different suture techniques. This suture kit is tested and approved by doctors, teachers, and students. It's perfect for exams, study, and practice before real-world scenarios. The kit is designed for educational purposes and not for actual surgical use. What we like. This kit features a unique hook and loop design, allowing for easy replacement of the suture pad. The arch-shaped base creates greater tension, emulating real-life wounds conditions. It also has double protective mesh. If you're looking for a suture training kit with a focus on customization and durability, this is the one for you. What people say. The sutures were exactly as described. The product arrived quickly. I was very pleased with the product. Number 1. Stitch Up Gear Mixed Sterile Suture Thread. This is a 24-pack assortment of suture threads in various sizes. It includes both dissolvable and non-dissolvable options. This kit is designed to help you learn different suture types and their uses. Each thread comes pre-attached to an ultra-sharp stainless steel needle. They are individually wrapped and sealed for prolonged expiration. This makes it ideal for training and practice. This kit meets high-quality standards. It's perfect for medical trainees, students, and even hobbyists. It's a versatile tool for building essential skills. This collection helps you build confidence in emergency procedures. It's a must-have for aspiring medical professionals. You'll gain valuable skills in stitching and first aid. This product is used by leading training institutions worldwide. We are so confident in it that we offer a full refund if you're not satisfied. Get yours today and become the best. What we like. This kit offers a variety of suture types, allowing you to familiarize yourself with different materials and techniques. All threads are pre-attached to an ultra-sharp stainless steel reverse cutting needle. If you are a medical trainee or someone looking to practice different suture techniques, this kit provides a comprehensive and safe training experience. What people say. The sutures were exactly what I needed. The product arrived quickly and was as described. Great product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.